turret rotation mechanism needs adjustment.
Look at the clearance here on the cross-section.
We could integrate the heavier armor plating if we shift the internal components forward.
That's a perfect fit. Torque the bolts on my mark.
Readings are stable on the Z-axis.
Torque compensation is within tolerance. It's balanced.
Easy now, steady, and stop.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with securing the load.
The sensor data is stabilizing after the adjustment.
Yes, the resonance is completely gone now. We have balance.
Ready?
Ready. Let's start the sequence.
Torque on connection point Delta 6 is complete.
Confirmed. Moving to the harness now.
Clear on your side, Doctor.
Looks good, Foreman.
All right, lower the main hoist.
Track links engaged. The system is secure. Proceed to the next phase.
Lower it easy. Watch the clearance on the left.
It's clear. Hitting it with the gun now.
Good. Make sure the ducts are sealed tight.
Check the schematic here at junction 12.
We need to reroute this yellow tracer line.
Okay, I see it. It clears the conduit by a hair.
Diagnostics complete.
Status confirms full system integrity. We are good to go.
Diagnostics almost complete.
Looks good. We have green across the board.
The compression on the forward bogies is within tolerance.
Noted. The stabilization held steady at the apex.
The coating is flawless here.
All right, the system checks are green across the board.
Pressure gauge reading holding steady. Verify connection secure.
Confirmed, it's solid. Passes stress test.
Okay, that's checked off.
The schematic shows this coupling needs a secondary lock.
Yes, verify torque specs here. Looks good. Final approval confirmed. We've integrated the new targeting system, vastly improving accuracy on the move.
And the field tests confirmed the increased survivability.